Yo, it's Heartbreak Bobby from Lids and Kicks, and today's video is going to be an unboxing and on-feet sneaker review for the Acronym x Nike Air Presto Mid. Alright, welcome back to the channel, y'all. It's 2019. First sneaker review of the year. So today we have the Acronym x Nike Air Presto Mid in the Racer Pink / Blue colorway. This colorway released on September 20th, 2018, along with two other colorways. I believe it was the neon and black one, and it was like a cool gray colorway as well. This is my favorite out of the pack, just simply because of like the vibrance of it, you know, and how much it pops. All right, some unique qualities about this sneaker right here is that it has an extended ankle collar, so that's why it's like a mid-height shoe. And then it also has premium hits of leather along the heel tab, and it also has like zippers on both sides of your ankle. As many of you guys may know, that Acronym and Nike first collaborated in 2016. That was for the lava colorway that really blew up. That particular colorway really blew up. It's really considered like a grail now. It's going for anywhere from like 800 to 1,000. Different from the 2016 release, this release right here is like not reselling for very much. You could actually get this shoe for around like the retail price, which was 200. So I would definitely recommend people pick this up. It's very dope. Just rock this with the black jeans and then you're finna be dripping on them. Alright, so that's really about it for this sneaker right here, the Nike Air Presto Acronym Mid in the Racer Pink and Blue colorway. Yeah, so now we're gonna get into the unboxing and on feet portion of this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Heartbreak Bobby, Lids and Kicks, thank you for 1,000 subs. More videos on the way.
Yeah.